Hi, I'm Annabelle and welcome. Today we are building strength through body weight only. We have an all levels calisthenics class. We have 2 sets of 4 exercises. When you are ready, we'll start with a quick warm up. Make your way to a seated position, extend the hands out, and take some big arm circles going one direction. And take it back, going the opposite direction. Really exaggerate this movement. Relax the hands, rotate the neck around in a circular motion. Repeat on the other side. Bring the hands down on your mat. Extend the body out long. Coming into a cobra. Bring the neck back. Sway the body from side to side. Bring the hips back. Child's pose. Cobra. We'll do that a couple more times. Moving through this flow. And then child's pose. One more time. Cobra. And then child's pose. Come back to a tabletop. Extend the right leg out and take a couple of cat cows. Opposite side. Other side. Protract. And then retract. We are all done with our warm-up. We'll move into our workout. We're starting with pike push-ups. You have the option to take a modified push-up on your knees, or to keep the knees lifted, or to bring the hips up and back, coming into an upside down V. Bring the hands closer in and lower all the way down, bringing your forehead to the mat, and then come back up. Try to keep the elbows tucked in tight when you lower. Your forehead should touch right above the fingertips. Let's do 2 more. And that'll be 5. Nice job with those pike push-ups. Come down into a reverse tabletop. Fingers are pointing towards the front of the mat, or they're pointing towards the side of the mat. Bend the knees at about a 45-degree angle. Engage your core. Lift the hips. Come up. And then lower. Come up again. And lower. Let's do 3 more. Three. We're going straight into our pistol squats. Again, you have the option to take a regular sumo squat with your feet hip distance, wider than hip distance apart, just coming all the way down. You have that option. Or you have the option to take a pistol squat, lift the left leg up, extend it out, and slowly lower down, and then come back up. We'll go for 2 more. That's 2. And then 3. Ooh. Should definitely feel that in your legs. Right side, lift, extend, and lower. It really helps to find something in the room to focus on. Good job. Nice job. We'll pause right there. Take a deep breath. Deep breath out. Before we move into our crow pose, we're going to hold crow pose for 10 seconds. As you rest, I'll explain different ways that we can modify that if you're just not there yet. You can always, it's going to be a lot easier to place your knees on your triceps. So let them rest on your tricep as you shift the body forward. You can stay here without lifting the toes. That's one variation you could do. If you want to make this a little bit more challenging, you're going to place the knees as close to the pits as possible. And you can hold that there or lift the toes up. Okay, so you have two options. You can let it rest, let the knees rest on your triceps, hold that, or keep it lifted, or you can bring the knees to the pits. I'm gonna go with my pits, and we're gonna hold that for 10 seconds. Lower all the way down. Good job. That was round one. That went by so fast. We're gonna take a break to catch your breath and grab some water before we do our last round. If you are enjoying this class so far, you can always check out my app. We have a beginner calisthenics class, not class, but program. It's a 6-week program for calisthenics for complete beginners. We have tons of other classes. All of the classes that you see here on YouTube are also on my app without the ad. Tons of mobility flows and programs that you can choose from. Let's go straight to our pike push-up. Curl the toes, knees up and back, upside down V. Lower, squeeze the elbows in. We're gonna triangle for 5, like we did last time. If this is challenging for you, drop the knees and keep that same motion. I'm sure this is 5, but we're gonna do a bonus. Yay, great job. Going straight to our reverse tabletop. This time, I want you to place the hands facing the front. Engage your core. Slightly tuck in that tailbone. Lift the hips up. And you're going to lower this time, bending the elbows and then come back up. So we're not letting our tailbone rest on the mat. Just slightly touch it while bending the elbows and then come back up. Let's do 2 more. Beautiful job. Pistol squats, our favorite. Left leg comes up, extend, and lower. We did 3 last time. Should we do a bonus? That's 3. This workout is going so fast. I feel like we need to do a bonus. That was 3. Let's do 1 more. 4. Yes. Let's shake that out. Other side. Right leg comes up. Extend. And then come back up. One more. We can do it. We got this. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Our crow pose. Hold. Let's hold that. We're at 10 seconds. Let's go for 5 more. Because we can do hard things. Yes, we can. Lower. All the way down. Good job. You did that. Extend the body out long. Last. We're going to end with a quick cool down. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Rock from side to side. Extend the legs out long and lower them down. And then back up. We're lengthening our spine, our hips, and also working our core. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Drop them to the right. Extend the right hand out. Back to center. Drop the knees to the opposite side. Back to center. Drop the leg, the feet down. Lift the hips, holding our bridge. Lift them as high as you can. Release. Take that left leg, place it on top of the right. Flex the foot to protect the knee. Bring that right leg in. Clasp the hands together. You can stay here in figure 4. Or you can release the hands and try to push that knee away from you so you can really get that hip opener. And drop the feet, your knees to the right side. Come back up. Other side. Right leg over the left thigh. Bring it in close. Release and drop. Come back to center. The feet are touching each other. They're kissing each other. Open the knees, let them drop. Place the hands over the belly. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. How was this class for you? How was the level? Just let me know. It helps me plan classes, more targeted classes catered to exactly what you need and what you want. You can also take this class on the app, ad-free, with tons of other classes, mobility classes that's not here on YouTube, full-length classes, and also structured programs. Thank you so much for choosing to move your body with me. Feel free to rest here, allowing your hips to open up for as long as you want to. I'll see you in our next class.